don't know what's going on, but Tyler just told me to park my truck over there, and we got into his truck. We turned around. We're gonna go pay it forward. We're gonna go pay it forward, whatever that means. Let's go do it. Alright.
Thank you. Keep it up. Thank you.
It looks better clean.
It does. Appreciate it.
Thank
You
you.
thought you were stopping to grab it, you got bad.
No way, man. Have a good day.
30 feet off the highway. I hope I don't catch him.
Just out there cleaning the forest.
Cleaning up the running springs. All the trash everyone else leaves behind. Yeah, so we were just driving down the highway home after our workout, and I saw this crazy old local that everybody knows, see him around all the time. He's just out on the side of the highway with a trash can and a broom, raking pine needles, making the daffodils look beautiful, picking up trash that other people thrown out of their window on the highway. And it just struck me when I drove by, and I just wanted to do something for him. So I turned around, had Jake hop in the truck, and we went up there. And we're not looking for any, pats on the back out of this. It's just a message for everybody that we all have so much to be grateful for. And this man that was out there obviously has a mental, disability or whatever you want to call it. He's a little out in left field. But he has the right state of mind to be out there cleaning up the beautiful area that we live in, where all these other quote-unquote normal people are throwing trash out their window and leaving it for somebody else to clean up. And I appreciate it because this is my home and it's a beautiful area, and I'm just trying to look for ways to give back, and that one just struck me. So I guess it's the first episode of a series where we're going to be trying to
What do you guys think of the Pay It Forward series, where we'll go ahead and we'll just do random acts of kindness like that, where we'll pay it forward? I'd like to see other people get involved and really make a movement out of this thing. I know there's other things that are similar, but
yeah, it doesn't have to be money either. Like,
yeah,
if you can find a way to help somebody out or express gratitude, make somebody's day. That's all it has to be.
Yeah.
It's a compliment or somebody who's down and you can help them out. Whatever it is, just try and pay it forward.